Picture this. The sun dips low on a coastal highway, waves kissing the shore, and you glide along in near silence. No engine roar, no tire hum, just the sublime hush of luxury. In a world obsessed with flash and headline-grabbing power, do you crave the timeless elegance of a proven icon? Or the audacious, tech-packed boldness of a rising star? Enter the Lexus LS 500 and Genesis G90, a clash where yacht interior opulence meets exterior allure. These aren't just cars, they are rolling sanctuaries, blending comfort, performance, and prestige. Buckle up, your perfect luxury awaits. Ready? Let's dive in. Striking first impressions. What if your car could make hearts race before you even touch the door? Exteriors aren't just decoration, they're statements. The Lexus LS 500 grabs attention with its bold spindle grille, a slash of chrome that whispers confidence and shouts presence simultaneously. At 206.1 inches long and 74.8 inches wide, it sits low and poised, a predator draped in motion gray or ultrasonic blue. Weighing 4,938 pounds, it balances sleek elegance with athletic menace. Edmunds praises its clean, sculpted lines, especially in the F-Sport trim with 20-inch forged wheels, proof that Japanese minimalism can still command respect. The Genesis G90 doesn't chase sportiness, it embraces majestic presence. Its massive crest grille, flanked by dual LED light bars, evokes a modern palace on wheels. Measuring 207.7 inches in length and weighing 5,000 pounds, the G90 is roomier and more imposing. Cardiff green and Makalu gray pearl finishes add gravitas, while car and driver highlights elegant flowing sheet metal and secretive flush door handles that pop like a subtle handshake. If the LS impresses with precision, the G90 seduces with sheer luxury. In parking lot showdowns, the G90 often wins the eye test. The LS hooks loyalists with understated poise. Both feature adaptive LED headlights dancing around corners, yet the G90 anticipates your approach with a power trunk lid. Power plays. Ever wanted acceleration so seamless it feels like bending reality? Both the Lexus LS 500 and Genesis G90 hide ferocious hearts beneath calm, composed exteriors, promising thrills disguised as serenity. The Lexus LS 500 roars quietly from its twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, delivering 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Its 10-speed automatic shifts like liquid silk, connecting engine and road with hypnotic precision. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available for $3,000. Lexus claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds, and fuel economy sits at a respectable 18 city, 29 highway miles per gallon. Remarkably efficient for a V6 of this caliber. It's a car that whispers until you prod it, then releases a controlled storm. The Genesis G90 takes a different approach, prioritizing sensation over spectacle. Its standard 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 produces 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque, while the E-Supercharger AWD model cranks output to 409 horsepower, delivering electric torque for effortless launch control. The 8-speed automatic is ghostly smooth, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds. Fuel economy is slightly lower at 18 over 26 miles per gallon, but real-world drives reveal a silky surge that glides over asphalt like a whispered promise. Kelley Blue Book tests highlight contrasting strengths. The LS edges out in raw power and corner agility, perfect for spirited drives, while the G90 dominates comfort with air suspension that swallows potholes and a serenity mode vibrating the seats to cancel noise. Which do you choose? Lexus LS for a thrilling pulse or Genesis G90 for a serene, hypnotic glide? The heart of luxury. Step inside and the world outside disappears. What if a traffic jam became your personal spa or a city street felt like a serene retreat? The Lexus LS 500 turns that fantasy into reality. Its cabin is Zen minimalism perfected. Soft-touch leather in Rioja red or circuit chalet. White wraps every seat, adjustable in 28 ways including rear ottomans. A 12.3-inch touchscreen anchors the dashboard, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a 23-speaker Mark Levinson system turns music into a full-blown concert. Ambient lighting flows like a living mood ring, and the heads-up display projects speed and navigation right onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Meanwhile, the Genesis G90 transforms interior luxury into a full-on sensory spectacle. Quilted Napa leather and cognac or vanilla cradles passengers as rear executive seats recline, a remarkable 60 degrees with leg rests. Dual 12.3-inch panoramic screens, fingerprint authentication, and a built-in fragrance diffuser make every journey customizable. Car and Driver raved it as an all-inclusive resort on wheels, complete with powered doors that bow open like a personal valet. iSeeCar's data shows the G90 provides 45.3 inches of rear legroom versus the LS's 43, plus extra shoulder space for 3 passengers. The LS counters with a more generous trunk, 17 versus 12.5 cubic feet. Lexus LS 500, precision craftsmanship and serene minimalism. Genesis G90, lavish indulgence and sensory luxury. 2 roads, 2 philosophies, 1 question. Do you crave quiet perfection or full-bodied opulence? Safety shields. What if your car sensed danger before you even noticed it? Imagine gliding down a rainy highway when a pedestrian suddenly steps onto the road. Your car reacts instantly, before your brain even catches up. The Lexus LS 500 brings this vision to life with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring keep you secure at all times. Optional night vision illuminates hidden hazards, while AWD with torque vectoring ensures you escape trouble with composure. IIHS ratings confirm that this is no gimmick. It's a fortress on wheels. The Genesis G90 takes things further, merging intelligence with foresight. Highway Driving Assist 2 combines adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and traffic sign recognition to allow semi-autonomous driving up to 60 miles per hour. Forward collision avoidance, a 360-degree camera suite, and top safety pick plus IHS ratings make it a rolling safe haven. The e-Supercharger. AWD model even lets you summon the car remotely for smart parking via an app. Both sedans excel, but the G90's futuristic tech and longer warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles versus the LS's 6 years, 70,000, give tech enthusiasts and safety-conscious drivers an extra reason to lean toward Genesis. Wallet wisdom. Luxury shouldn't break the bank. The LS 500 starts at $81,685 RWD, climbing to $110,000 loaded. A bargain compared to a Mercedes S-Class. iSeeCar's notes, it retains 8.1% more value over 5 years, thanks to Toyota reliability. The Genesis G90 begins at $89,700 AWD standard, $100,000 for e-Supercharger AWD, undercutting German rivals by $20,000. 5 years of complimentary maintenance and valet service add tangible value. TrueCar emphasizes G90's loaded from day one approach saves roughly $10,000 in options. LS promises longevity. Owners report 60,000 miles issue-free. G90 offers pampered newness, space, and features that impress immediately. Behind the wheel. The road is meant to be caressed, not conquered. Car and Driver's 2023 testing praised LS's zen-like poise, air-spring smoothing bumps while the V6 hums invisibly. G90? A luxury cruise ship, e-Supercharger eliminating turbo lag for velvet-smooth acceleration. Club Lexus forums rave about LS's handling edge. Reddit users are hooked on G90's massage seats during long hauls. Both sip premium fuel, yet LS efficiency nudges daily commuters toward it. Spirited engagement or sumptuous serenity? Luxury is deeply personal, timeless reliability, or bold indulgence. The Lexus LS 500 hooks traditionalists with proven power, resale value, and calm precision, a forever chariot for those valuing craftsmanship. Genesis G90 captivates disruptors with lavish features, spacious interior bliss, and unbeatable value. A new obsession in 2025. From engine specs to interior opulence, safety shields to ownership wisdom, both redefine inside luxury. Yet the G90's audacious feature set and comfort-forward approach might just steal the crown. Test drive them both. Feel the difference your throne awaits. Enjoyed this? Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stick around for more exciting luxury vehicle content. Thank you.